Good morning, C10. But alright, y'all, this is what we're going to do today. We're actually going to be putting... what am I thinking? I didn't even say the intro. What up, YouTube? This is the Young Chevy Truck YouTube channel where I plan on showing you how to build a 1984 Chevy C10 truck that just burns rubber, ain't meant to be fast, and only meant to be fun for you. And I'm really trying to get stuff done today. I got the new belt for the situation. It should be working. And it's the, for those who didn't watch the last video, it's the 41-inch belt versus the, I think it was like a 30-something that was on here before. But basically, the old one wasn't gonna work because this thing holds the alternator up a whole lot higher. So that's why we got the longer belt. So we're gonna see if that works. And then we're gonna also try, and we're probably gonna attempt to bypass the heater core today. So we're probably gonna take these lines off of here and then hook them together. Or I also heard you could literally just take this one off right here and hook it into where the radiator goes, and that'll bypass it just fine. But we're gonna try a couple things today, and then we're gonna worry about putting the tachometer in possibly after this is all done, or possibly tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Got one more day before I go back to work, so it would be nice to get these two things done and then worry about tachometer tomorrow. But that's what we're gonna do. So let me go collect my father. All right, y'all, I've collected the Kevin Dean. He's on the vlog, live and well. He's feeling better.
Live and better.
I said that too.
Okay.
No, I put that in there.
Okay.
So Kevin Dean, also, I wanted to show you, as I'm showing them,
Good.
what we're gonna do
I need to
for the heater
understand.
core.
Okay.
So basically, I'm just gonna take this line off of the heater core, because I believe that's the inlet for it right here. It's getting it from the engine and it's putting it in the heater core, and then it's coming back out.
Okay.
So basically, I'm gonna just bypass it completely, and I'm gonna take it off of this side and then put it here.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
I'm gonna pop this off and then get the other end of this right here and then put it on there where it came from.
Problem solved.
And I think problem solved for now. I think for now, problem might be solved. But I don't know, we're just gonna have to try it and see what happens. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna put the belt on, and then I might worry about the tachometer also, if I feel like it.
Okay.
Might as well get it in while we got daylight.
Daylight, that looks like a much better alignment.
Yeah, you know what, might as well take a look at it. Yeah, it does look like a much better alignment.
You gotta look at it from two sides. You gotta look at it from both sides before you can say, yes, it's a better alignment.
I think it looks pretty good. I think it's looking good. That AVS2 is looking good too.
Alternator may have a little slightly funky angle to it, but
it's slightly.
I don't think it's the end of the world.
It's also not tightened down all the way. I haven't tightened down the everything yet, so that's probably a part of that.
Yeah.
Or that's what I'm going to try to blame it on.
Okay.
Because of the misalignment. See how quick you did that?
Man, that's amazing. He didn't even use any tools.
Yeah, exactly. What? How do you do that?
You do this every day.
Every single day. 8 days a week, 25 hours a day.
I want to play in the leaves.
Playing the leaves?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. His dad senses are going off. There's too many leaves in the yard. Yeah, we got... Okay, what is up with this? Because it looks like this is nowhere near where we need it to be. Alright guys, I can't exactly explain why, but this method of using the string just isn't an accurate method, because literally with the, I think it's the fact that the string sits further down into the pulley system than the belt ever can. And I think that's why this is coming out that way. Because look at this string should be significantly, well not significantly, but it should be only a little bit shorter than the belt, but that looks like about 2 inches. When there's only about an inch difference at the end of the day. So we need something bigger is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna look at some part numbers and figure out what we need to get when we go up here. Okay, yep, perfect example. It's gonna, I think the fact that the rope can just sit deeper, and that's why it comes out that way. That's the only reason it can be. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna get like a 42-inch and a 43-inch and see which one works, and we'll just run it off of that, based off of that. So here we go, back to Summit. Alright y'all, so I'm an idiot because we have a belt. It's like the oldest belt that we have in our possession though. And it's obviously in need of replacement. I don't know if you guys can see the little crack right there. I don't like that, but I think it's gonna work now. Just for the sake of break-in. Also, I think the alignment of the alternator is looking pretty good with the rest of the system. Let's see if I can line y'all up with it. Boom. That's alignment. That's alignment right there. And I definitely like this adjustment tool a whole lot more than the regular roll. Just pull with a crowbar and tighten with another hand method that I had to use before. This is a whole lot more precise. It's easier. You can do this by yourself. So that's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to finesse this here heater core situation. I think I have a plan, and I hope it works. Sadly, we can't find out today, but we'll probably be finding out tomorrow. But I'm gonna do that, and then I might just actually get to the tachometer today, since this is going so good. And of course, I'm gonna be posting this video tonight. So if this is a bad idea, someone will probably tell us. So I'm gonna go ahead and reach back here and take this loose. It's rusty.
I got some round vice grip pliers. Put that on it lightly and ratchet it back and forward like this to break the 30-year-old seal.
Yeah, I think that might be what we gotta do. It sounded like it got loose a little.
Oh, it's big loose.
You need me to pull while you do that?
You
think that might help a little bit?
I got it.
It's not even that wet. I thought we were gonna take it off and it was gonna and be all over the place. But y'all, this is the old leak. This is the leak that heater core is causing. Let's see if I can get it to focus. That's the leak it's causing. It's coming right from that little black box right above it. So I think disconnecting this and then just putting it right over here is gonna be the answer to that. So let's see if this is gonna be the right ballpark length. I mean the right ballpark size for the fitting on the radiator also. This stuff is stiff. Alright, I'm thinking bam. Oh, there it go. When we take that loose, it's gonna leak anyway, so maybe I can do this kind of fast motion. Maybe.
You got enough reach?
Oh yeah, I got reach for days.
Okay.
That's for sure gonna leak. It might even be kind of a lot, but
Not
hopefully
much, though.
Hopefully I can get this on faster.
Did this clamp need to come all the way off?
I don't think so. I think if you can
Oh, because you got a clamp on there. Okay.
Yeah. Awkward. Uh-oh. Where the water at? It'd be nice to see it. Oh, what? Okay. I ain't gonna ask no questions. I know it'll go. I just need two hands. I know it'll go. I just gotta use my Titan strength in it. There it go. Okay, I think that's on there. Guess if it's not, we'll know. And I cut my pinky.
There you go.
So it better work now.
I was hoping one of these was closed, but it ain't. To use it as a plug for the open end of
That over there.
Oh, that can go right back on there.
You know what? It sure can. Dad, you a genius.
Yeah.
That's why we keep you on the payroll.
Say that again.
I said you're a genius.
You're a what? Okay.
That's extra. If you want me to say it more, but that's coming out of your paycheck.
But I mean, because it's got the potential to leak, let's just put it where
right back.
If it leaks, it just leaks
back into itself.
In a controlled way. Still no heat, but that's okay. Ain't about heat right now.
I think that's as far as it wants to go, honestly.
Okay.
I got blood on it. Y'all don't touch it when y'all get here.
Well,
I think since we've done so much, I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the tack on. Put the tack back on. Oh, I bought Band-Aids. You saw?
I saw that.
We ain't got no we never have Band-Aids in this household.
I didn't know
I've hurt myself too often.
who was getting the credit for that, but I saw him. I was like, what? Somebody in my household is smart. Almost as smart as me. I was like, wow, I'm not in this by myself.
Don't speak too highly, Dad.
Not in this
You be
alone.
having your moments. Alright, I think that's good. That don't feel like it's going anywhere. And then y'all, we'll show y'all the finished product of this whole situation, since you guys see the method and all
Let's
that.
see the injury.
Yeah, see
Put the injury on there.
injury. Some of the injury is on the on there too. You wanna get that, but
Is it
yeah, I gotta
really?
go. Yeah, it is.
I can't see it. That's all right. We can go way by. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
On the radiator.
Oh really?
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh really?
Blood.
Oh dang. I didn't know that. Well,
So when we say blood,
Don't
sweat,
touch
and
it.
tears,
we mean it.
we mean it.
There the tears go right there. Alright y'all, considering the fact that everything is looking good, I think we're gonna go ahead and put the tachometer on there, just so that tomorrow we can actually start it up and break it in for the final time. And of course that'll be the video that you guys see on Wednesday, the 19th. And that'll be a part of that video. And maybe I'll just save the Q&A for tomorrow for you guys. Also guys, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video, because I mean, leaving likes basically tells other people on YouTube that you are cool with my videos, so it circulates it more that way. So make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like, because it'll help me out a lot. And then maybe I could do dope stuff with my YouTube channel and possibly even get a sponsor one day. And then they can be sending me dope parts to review for y'all. But all I'm doing now is just putting on the little connections for the tachometer wires. And I think for the power wire, I'm literally just gonna take the little bit of wire I got hanging out of here and wrap it around a fuse, and then plug the fuse in, just so we know we got good power while I'm breaking in the cam. I don't want to have to shut it off anymore. I'm really just trying to get a sure thing going, so that the tach is working, the belt's connected, everything's ready to go. I'm trying to break it in. I need to break it in. Like, that's the big goal for tomorrow. That's really important to me. I'm just putting it in the ballpark where it should be. Show them my finesse for the power wire. You know, I'm literally just gonna take a fuse. I'm gonna take a fuse that I know is good and wrap the power wire up in it. And then that's gonna be the supply power for the tach for now, just for the break in, and then I'll figure out a good situation for it. Alright y'all, so the tach is going back in, kind of mediocre, but like I said, we're just trying to make the deadline for the start party, and then we'll go back and start buttoning up everything how it really should be. But like I said, I'm trying to make this deadline, and I'm trying to provide content for y'all at the same time. So, and that's a job for daggone Superman. I doubt we're gonna put a radio back in this thing. Uh-oh. I don't even know where that came from.
What is it?
I don't know, but a nut dropped out. It's almost like it's from a movie. See it right there? I hit this and then it just fell out.
Don't hit it again.
Oh, engine might fall out.
There you go.
Now we'll tuck all this.
Duct tape.
I'll zip tie this and
then duct tape.
Dad, can I please finish this? and then, that's something Zach would do. Where's Zach? That's something Zach would do. But then I'll put the little cover back on here, because I still got the cover. And then tuck all this away. I'm not going to use anything for the light, because, well, I figured there's no daggone need for it right now. We're just trying to keep it moving, keep it alive. So, but that's cool to know. Now we got the tach in there. Let's do a last shot of the tachometer. Hey, Zach.
Hey,
Wanna be
man.
in the vlog, Zach?
Yeah.
Gotta say what's up to the vlog, Zach.
How are you?
Good.
Good. It's good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
Alright, y'all. So the tach is in, as you can see. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna start it up and see if the bypass for the heater core is working, and see if the belt is gonna stay on or not. I think it's gonna stay on. Honestly, with that new bracket, I think it'll be fine. So but I'm feeling pretty good about all this.
Good.
And of course we got the mediocre tach install done. So we'll actually be able to see what RPMs we're going to. So I think it'll be ready for the start party next week because we got some days. We got tomorrow to work. Well, I got tomorrow to work because Kevin D might not be a part of it. We got tomorrow to work, and then we got Monday and Tuesday to get it cranked. So who knows? We might crank it again tomorrow. But I think tomorrow's video, guys, might actually be the Q&A. It's probably going to be in the Q&A for y'all tomorrow. And then as for Monday, I'm not sure. I guess we'll just do some tidying up since we have time to. But yep, I guess I will keep you guys updated. So you know what? How about this? Tomorrow's video will be me keeping you guys updated on how everything is going with the makeshift tachometer install and the makeshift heater core bypass and the makeshift alternator bracket situation. I'll be keeping you guys updated on if it's actually running or not, based off of what I know tomorrow. Yeah, and then we'll probably post the Q&A video after that the next day. So we might even have like 6 videos this week, which is like a record for me. And we're monetized now. We're monetized. I don't really know how to go about actually monetizing videos and all that, but I think I set it all up, so it should be good to go. Y'all might be seeing ads already. So just like that, y'all, I think this one's pretty much over. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys will go ahead and leave a like for me. The C10 is coming back. No more just race car sounds and sitting in it anymore. It's actually coming together. It's still a little dusty in here, but this is temporary. It's dusty, but it'll work. It'll work. I might just drive it to work with no heat in it. just hold on. Just look at this. I'm gonna just bundle up real good, just like this. I'm gonna be good, just like that. If I ain't got no headlights, boom.
There you go.
There it go.
Now
I
you
can see. Just like that, y'all. I think this one's pretty much over. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you leave a like. I'll see you in the next one, and have a good one.